Hello and welcome to the Prakashan Academy. I am Priyanka and today we are learning figures. What is figures? Figures in intelligent nothing but diagrams, and in this figure we have to find the odd one out from the figures. What is classification? First of all, understand. What does mean classify mean? It means put things into a group that are alike. Alike means that are similar. We can say it is a similar from outer appearance. Examples: sorting of toys, cars, blocks, dolls will be separated. Examples: sorting of fruits, red apples, yellow bananas. We are going to sort of figures. Figures are like the shapes and the drawings, which are looking or similar alike, will be grouped together and find the odd one out, which is the out of a group. Find the odd one out. We will look for the one figure that is different from all the other. Most figure will be similar. Most figure will be similar, but one will be different. That's the odd one out. Can you spot the odd one out? How to classify the figures? First, classification start. How to classify before starting solving the MCQ based on the figures? How to classify? You should know the following qualities like shape. It is square, it is circle, it is a triangle, it is a star. Size, it is a small or big. Or number of a part. Does it have lines? Does it have dots? And how many sides is there? How many vertices of shapes is there? And also we observe the a pattern. What type of pattern any figure is following, and direction flip. Is it facing a left or a right? Is it upside down? This is the some qualities of a figures we are going to observe to classify a figures into various groups and find the odd one out, which is the out of group. Let's discuss some MCQ. It is a we have to select the one which is different from the other three responses. First is a circle with the lines. There is a two lines. Here is also line, and again this is are the diagram. Which do you think is a odd one out? We clearly see there is a wait a second. There is no line between them. Only one line is here, straight, 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 and here is the cross in the diagram. Then, which option is the odd one out? Do you find? Option D is the odd one out because, as you observe in this diagram, there is a circle and has one line. Again, this is the diagram. Again, has a one, what do you call it? One line. Again, there is a diagram here like this. Again, has a one line, and we can also say it is a divided into two equal parts. Here is a one part, here is a second part, and they are similar or symmetric. It is also, but it is the image where here you use the two lines to divide, and it is not divided into equal parts. Because of this, option D is a odd one out. Next option. This is a image. Which do you think is a odd one out? Option A, B, C, or D. As you can see in this image, there are the 3 lines, and they are touched to the edge of a shape. Here is again image 3 lines, and it is touched to the edges. Again next image 3, again 3 lines and touched to the edges. But here 1, 2 and 3, but third line is not touched to the edge. That means option D is the odd one out from this diagram. Next question, which do you think the diagram odd one out? Option A, B, C or D? Observe each and every figure. There is a little bit different between a correct option. It is very simple. Option B is a odd one out. If you observe the image, there is a small T between them, and the direction of a T is this of a in this diagram. As you can see here also direction is there, here also direction is there, but only B has a T's direction is opposite, exactly opposite. That means option D is a correct option. Option D is a correct option. Let's discuss next MCQ. Which do you find the odd one out from this diagram of figures? Option A, B, C or D? You can observe the circle position of circle position in surrounded in shapes. Which do you think is odd one out? Option C, option B, this is the odd one out because all, as you can see in the option A, it is circle is touched to edges. It is touched to edges. It is touched to edges. It is touched to the edges. Here also option C, circle is touched to the edges of shape. Again in option D also circle is touched to the edge of a shape, but in option B it is not touched to the edges but vertices. Because of this, option B is the correct option. Let's discuss next MCQ. There are the 4 diagram. Which do you think is a odd one out? Option A, B, C or D? Which one is the odd one out? Option D is the odd one out. If you observe each and every diagram, here the lines are parallel in this diagram. There is a square are in each and every diagram, but the parallel line are in option A, option B and option C. But parallel lines are not in option D. They are like this. That are not parallel. Because of this, option D is a odd one out from this. Next MCQ. Observe the each and every figures. Then which one is a odd one out or different from each other. Find odd one out first. Observe the lines and the shapes inside after dividing that shape. If we observe first diagram, there is a circle, then there is a two lines cross here. And if we observe this, it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal part. If you talk about next, there is this diagram. It is also divided into 4 equal part. But in option C, as you can see, the line is like this, and it is not divided into the equal parts. It is divided into 4 parts, but not equal. If you observe option D, there is a circle, again plus. It is also divided 1, 2, 3, 4 in a 4 equal part. That means which one is a odd one out? Option C is odd one out because does not divide the shape into 4 equal parts. And observe a diagram. Which one is a odd one out? Find the odd one out from this. Observe each and every diagram carefully of figure and find the odd one out from this. Option A, B, C or D. Which one is odd one out? Observe the first and how many strokes are required to draw that letter. Count this and you will find the odd one out diagram figure. Option 1 require 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 stroke for drawing the M. 4. Right 4. For the E we required 1, after that 2, 3, 4. Again 4 required here also 4. Then let's talk about option C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again here also require a 4. But if you talk about H1, 2 and 3, it requires 3 stroke. Then which one is the odd one out from this? Option A, B or C? Option C is the, wait a second, option D is the odd one out because all of our M, E and W require 4 lines or the 4 stroke for the drawing M, E, W, but only option D requires 3 lines. And option D is the correct answer. Observe this image and find the which one is the odd one out from this. Option A, B, C or D. Observe the arrow direction. Also observe the where is the arrow is lies. Lie option, which one is the odd one out from this? If you observe in a first, the arrow is stars, स्टार के यहाँ एरो है, लेकिन if observe in a B, there is not at the star, it is at the both smile and star. If you observe option C, the arrow is at again at align with star. Align with star. We are talking about arrow. Here also align with star. It is aligned with this arrow aligned with smile and star. If you talk about option D, it is at the align with star again. It is also aligned with star. Then which do you think has or find the odd one out? Option B is the odd one out because all other others are aligned. The arrow is aligned with the star, or the arrow is at the star's position, but only B is not side of a other side of a star. It is the middle in between smile and star. Then option B is a odd one out or correct. Again, observe these four figures and tell me which one is the odd one out. Option A, B, C or D. Observe carefully each and every option. Which one is the odd one out from this? First, observe first. There is 1, 2, 3 lines and divide into equal part. Equal part. If you observe option B, there are the 1 and 2. Two lines and not equal parts. Not equal. I will write only not equal. Then if you observe option C, there are the 1, 2, two lines, but it is also not divided into equal part, not equal again. Again, if you observe option D, it uses two lines, 1 and 2, and not divided into equal parts, not in equal part. Then which one is the odd one out? Option A, B, C or D? Option B and C are used two parts and not two lines and doesn't divide into two equal parts or the four equal parts. But if you talk about option A, it uses three lines and divide into equal parts. Because of this, option A is the correct option. Observe this figure and tell me which figure is the odd one out. Option A, B, C or D. First, observe the circle and square inside the square. And you will find the odd one out. Which one is the odd one out from this? Option A, B or C or D? Option D is the odd one out. If you observe option 1, there is a square in a one row. Again, circle in a one row. Or we can say side by side. It is the side by side, it is the side by side. Here also square is side by side and the circle is also side by side. Here in the C also square and circle also in the form of a side by side. But if you observe option B, there is a circle here and circle here in the form of a cross. That means and the square is also here and here in the form of a cross. Because of this, option D is a odd one out from this. Next slide. Tell me which one is the odd one out from this. Option A, B or C or D. Which one do you find the odd one out from this? If you observe the half part of a shape and the other half, they have a symmetry, but only one diagram doesn't have the symmetry between them. Which one is the odd one out? Option C is the odd one out. If you observe option A, it is divided into two parts. After that, if you see this part, half circle, and again this part, it is the other half circle, but it is in the form of a water image, or we can say it is a symmetry, but it is also water image, form water image. But if you talk about option C, there is a no similarity between this figure and this figure and this figure. They are the opposite, or we can say it is not similar. And after drawing the water image, it will not look like this. Because of this, option C is the correct option. Next image, observe this image and find which one is the odd one out from this. This is the question, and observe which one is the odd from. Option A, B, C or D. Which one is the odd one out? Option A is the odd one out, because as you can see in this, there are use 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2 lines for each, and it touches two edges. But here it uses 1 and 2, but it is only touched to one edges, not touched to two edges. Because of this, option A is the correct option. Let's discuss next MCQ. Find the odd one out from this. Option A, B, C or D. Option A is the correct option. If you observe B, it is not divided into equal parts. Also C is not divided into equal part. Also D is also not divided into equal part. If you see option A, it is divided into equal parts and it has one dot. This is the last figure for you. Observe this figure and tell me which one is the odd one out from this. Option A, B, C or D. Which one is the odd one out? If you observe the lines and the divided part, you will get the correct answer. If you observe option C, is the odd one out. But why? If you observe option A, there is a circle and divided into equal parts. Again, option B also divide into equal parts. Option D also divide into equal parts. Only option C is not divided into equal parts. It is unequal. It is a large. It is small. Small. This is a homework for you. Take a screenshot of this and solve your homework. Okay, this is how we complete the figures. We find the odd one out figure and complete your homework. Thank you.